Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will see how to answer top 5 HR interview questions with the best sample answers to impress the interviewer in HR round. You have to answer most effectively to impress the interviewer in HR round. So I try to suggest the best answers for these top 5 questions. So let us get into the video. The first question is, why should we hire you? For this question, you have to share your knowledge, work experience, skills related to your job and career goals. Like, being a fresher, I think I am flexible and adaptable to learn new things. I'm sure I will be able to contribute something capable for the growth of the company. Honestly, I possess all the skills and experience that you are looking for. I am pretty confident that I am the best candidate for this job role. It's not just my background in the past projects, but also my skills which will be capable in this position. This is the most effective answer to impress the interviewer. And another one is, sir, as I am fresher, I have theoretical knowledge, but I can do hard work for my organization and I will put my efforts for the good progress of organization. Being punctual and sincere, I can finish the work in given time. Try my best to fulfill all the needs of the company. Coming to second question, why do you want to work at our company? Or they may also ask like, why TCS, why Infosys, why Wipro? As based on the company, they ask like this type of questions. For this question, you have to tell them what you like about the company related to your long-term career goals. The best sample answer for this question is, because I know this company will help me to enhance my skills and gain more knowledge in the industry. I am a fresh graduate and I am looking forward an experience where I can improve myself better for the future. If you are going to give me a chance to work with you, I will do my best. My sincerity and loyalty will be the sign of committing myself to this company. So like this, you have to answer for this question in a better way. And another top question is strengths and weaknesses. For this question, you have to think before answer, because for every point you may have to give example also. So be prepared with the example. Some positive strengths are, I am adaptive in any environment. I am a person of positive attitude, hardworking, dedicated, and I am a good learner. Like this, you can tell your own points. For example, I am honest and self-motivated and hardworking person with positive attitude towards my career and life. So like this, you have to answer for strengths question. And coming to weaknesses, I am a person who overthinks before doing any task because I want to do everything perfectly. Like this, you have to answer for weaknesses question. And the next question is, what are your goals? For this question, you have to answer like, my goals is simply learn more, work more, and give 100% always. Never think any work hard, enjoy the working. Like this, you have to answer positively. And another top rated question is, do you have any questions for me? In every interviewer definitely ask this question at the end of the interview. So you never say no for this question. You have to answer anything. You have to question the interviewer in the at the end of the interview. So like, what kind of training will be provided in your organization after the joining of the company, and according to you, what are the qualities required for the candidate, or yes, is there anything about my application that concerns you? So like this, any question you have to answer the interviewer at the end of the interview. It's a positive sign to the interviewer. And the final question is, tell me about yourself. For this question, you have to start with your name, give your place information, education in short, job experience if you have any, family details in short. So every interview start with this question only. So you have to answer perfectly and impress the interviewer with your good communication skills. So I uploaded a dedicated video for this question in our channel. I have given a link in our description also. So go through the that link.